Hello there, YouTube. I come to you today with another radio video. It's on Longwave, and it's something that I am actually really curious about. This was found by my friend, Mr. Amans1, I believe, is his YouTube name. It's the friend I always keep talking about in my video. I can never get his YouTube name correct. But he just texted me this station, and just listen for a minute. You hear that little tone? So that tone there, it's not a time clock because it's out of sync with seconds and stuff like that, but I can hear that up to 438 and all the way down to 388. So it's some sort of weird station. And my signal meter is really spiking up for it. So I don't know. I have my antenna facing east right now. Well, my long wave antenna facing east. So I don't really know what this is. Something really weird, that's for sure. It's going to get the frequency log now once I finish this video. Down here on 370 something, there's over the horizon radar on USB, but I don't think that's it because it's too high. Look at this. I'm also getting up here 455. Might very well be this down here. It might very well have something to do. When you're watching this video, whoever's watching, my antenna is facing eastward. Go to 100 long wave, then bring it up to 519. And tell me it doesn't sound the same. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been some sort of strange radio anomaly with JQE2011. Thanks for watching.